Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to see about the conservation of plants and animal part 2. In this one, we are going to discuss about the sanctuary. Sanctuary is a place where the animals are protected from any disturbance to them from and their habitat. Means here only we will be protecting animals will be there here, so we call it as sanctuary. And for national park we call as area reserved where for wildlife, where they can be freely use the habitat and natural resources. Here we also in the national park we will be having only the wildlife animals, we will be protecting it. In the same manner, for zoo we will be having, zoo is a area in which maintains a collection of wild animals, typically in a park or garden for study, conservation or display of to the public. So here all the three terms are different for us. Sanctuary is different, national park is different, and zoo is different, as well as biosphere reservoir is also different for us. In biosphere reservoir we will be having, this will be a very big large area where it will be protecting land for conservation of wildlife. Here we will be having wildlife, plants, animals, and the traditional life of tribal living in that particular area also. In the biosphere reservoir we will be using it, having all wildlife, plants, animals, even the tribals also we will be taking care, so that we call it as biosphere reservoir. So in biodiversity, coming to biodiversity as a term, biodiversity is a variety of plants, animals, and microorganisms found in that particular area. Coming to your text, see the picture of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve consists of national park called as Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries called as Bori and Panchmari. Means in this biosphere of Panchmari Biosphere Reservoir, it will be consist of a national park is also there in that one, as well as they are having two wildlife sanctuaries named as Bori and Panchmari is given. So here they will be taking care of the not only the plant life, animals life, microorganism, everything whatever found in that particular area, they will be taking care for that one. It will be helping in maintaining the biodiversity and culture of that particular area. So, and this area will be protected. There will be no one can go for hunting in that particular place. Nothing will be done. When we are coming to the biodiversity, though our India is having a very land of only 2.5% as compared to the world, still we are contributing it 8.1% of biodiversity of the world. For that reason we say our country has the richest biodiversity range, and our biodiversity range is from the cold desert of Ladakh to hot desert of Thara. Then we are having the temperate forest of Himalaya to the lush green tropical rainforest of Kerala and South Karnataka. So this is how we will be having such a richness of diversity in our country. Then now what you will be doing is, you will be having this is your exercise activity number 7.3 of your textbook 79, page number 79. In that one it is given a question as, find out the number of national park, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reservoirs in our district, state and country, and this you have to record in your table number 7.1 given on page number 79. Show this area in the outline map of our state and India. So you will be taking a India map and you will be showing me you will be coloring it with different, which is national park, wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reservoir. You can choose any color. You choose national park as green, wildlife sanctuary as blue and biosphere as yellow. and just color it in 3 different forms and you have to send it to me. This will be an activity for you which you have to complete and submit it. Clear? So there is a difference between national park. There is a difference in national parks, sanctuary, biosphere, zoo. All are different terms. Nothing will be the same. Each and every one has its own function for doing it. Biosphere is different, national park is different, sanctuary is different, and zoo is different. Though in all this one we are taking care of the animals, but some or the other way the definition is going to be differ for each and every term. So you have to keep it in mind, the proper definition for each and every term. So now coming to flora and fauna. The term flora is used to include all types of plants at a place. Means flora means plants found in a particular area. All types of plants. It may be big, it may be small. All types of plants in that particular area we call it as flora. Though the term has come from flora means flower, but it includes even the non-flowering plants such as fern is a non-flowering plant, then mosses, algae, fungi, bacteria, all these are going to come in flora only. Means it will be having big as well as small. All the plants of that particular area we call it as flora. Now fauna means animals found in that particular area. Means all types of animals. It may be big, it may be small. Like example in on the slide is been given for you. The flora of Panchmari consists of sal, teak, wild mango, jamun, silver fern, etc. Then fauna of Panchmari consists of wild dog, cheetah, wolf, leopard, blue bull, then barking deer, etc. So these are the animals and plants of that particular area. Instead of saying it as animals and plant, we can call it as flora and fauna. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. Plant population of a place or a variety of species plants living in their natural habitat are termed as flora of that place. Similarly, animals population of a place or variety of animals living in their natural habitat that is surrounding is termed as fauna of that place. For listing and describing plants found in similar hills is named as flora, and all kinds of animals in that particular place we call it as fauna. So this is about flora and fauna of a particular place. Now what you will be doing is, here you have to come to page number 80 of your textbook. Activity number 7.4 is given for you. It is to describe. No, let it be, we don't have that one. But coming to activity page number 81, activity number 7.5, you have to try to identify the flora and fauna of your area and list them. So you have to going to find out in your particular area which type of plants you will be founding it, and which type of animals you will be seeing in your particular area. You will be making a list along with this same activity of a area map. You will be sending it to me. Clear, students? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. We will see further class, other topic in the next class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.